Mohawk Finishing Products is the world's leading manufacturer and distributor of professional wood touch-up, repair, and finishing products. In an industry that is rapidly changing, we strive to remain at the forefront of both quality and service. We offer unmatched training and educational workshops, an exceptional customer service team, and an extensive and evolving product line. Today we're going to talk about the ProMark marker. Whether you need to touch up 1 inch or 20 feet, the ProMark marker does it the first time, every time. The ProMark capillary marker features excellent flow and the nib remains usable for the life of the marker. It marks equally well using the edge, the bottom, or the tip of the marker. ProMark marker colors are the most fade resistant, the most resistant to color shift from top coating, and have the best bleed resistance in the industry. The ProMark marker features excellent adhesion and is resistant to furniture polish, meaning the repair will last for years to come. Okay, I'm going to quickly do a demo of the ProMark marker. As mentioned before, this is a capillary marker, so the fluid naturally just flows through the material. No shaking or anything is needed. I'm going to use the edge of this nib so you guys can see it, but literally just draw a line across the scratch. Take your finger to kind of break it up a little bit to make it appear natural, and the scratch instantly disappears. As you can see, making repairs with Mohawk Finishing Products is an easy and cost-effective way to keep your case goods looking new. For more information on this product demo today, please visit mohawkfinishing.com.